So if you are in France, you want to use this if you don't have bank account. Alright guys, in this quick video, I am going to show you, this is step by step how to withdraw your Amazon money. You want to withdraw your money on Amazon if you have any commission there or any money on your Amazon account. So you want to withdraw it, but you don't have bank account, or you don't want to receive your money through the Amazon gift card. So you may want to use this program, a Payoneer account. So if you don't know how to register to your Payoneer, I've made a video. You may want to check my video down in the description there. So this is a very good program where that can help you withdraw your money anywhere. You can send money and withdraw money from your account. So let me quickly show you how you can withdraw your money from Amazon if you have any money there. So the first thing you want to do is to register your account and sign up. So when you sign up, you are going to get something like this. Then you are going to sign in. And if you don't know how to sign up your account, check the video in the description. So now that you sign up and register your account and sign into your account, you are going to get something like this. And by the way, I am using the app. If you are not using the app, you will not get something like this. So you have to download the app and you get something like this. So here are some Amazon transaction here, and you can, as you can see here. If you want to connect your account, your bank account here with your Amazon account, so here is how you can do it. You want to scroll down here and go to banks and cards. So it's going to present you with this page here, and you are going to click receiving account here in the middle. So these are banks that you can use to withdraw your money from Amazon. So they have bank in Eurozone, UK, Singapore, US, and so on and so forth. All over the world, you can use any bank you like. So this is a bank that I'm using. Let's say I want to use this one from my Amazon account. So you're just going to scroll down here at the bottom here. They have view details. So when you click on view details, they are going to show you the details of your bank account. So when you click on it, so here are your bank details right there. So these are the details that you are going to be using on your Amazon bank account name and everything. So you are going to copy all these details and go to your Amazon account and paste it in there one by one. So now you want to go to account settings here, and here you want to go to change payment method, because I've already added my bank account details. If not, it's going to tell you to add your payment method. Okay, so you want to click on that. I want to change my payment method. For me, I just want to change my payment method. But if it is you for the first time, you want to add your payment method, you are going to click add your payment method right there. So in here, as you can see right here, these are all my shops: Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, and United States. I am using this bank for all of them. So now let's say I want to add new bank, or I want to edit it. So I'm just going to click bank account here. So here my bank details. So I want to edit it. If you want to add a new bank, you can just click up here and you add your bank details one by one. Click here. So let's say I want to add new bank account. So here is where you are going to be setting up your bank details. Here is bank location. You are going to choose the bank location. So my bank is at US, so you can just, if you want to choose other countries, you can just click on this box here and it's going to show you more. It's going to show you more. So here is where you're going to add. So here is where you're going to add your other name. You are going to add your name and type your name in there, and you are ready to go. Here is the account number, your account number. You are going to add your account number here, and bank name. You are going to add your bank name here, the name of your bank. Everything is on your Payoneer. So here you are going to add your account number. Here you are going to add your bank name. Here you are going to add your bank currency. Here you are going to add your account type. So if you go here, so here you are going to add your bank currency. So if you go here, you can change from dollar to euro. So here you can change your account type. So if you go here, you can change from checking or saving. Normally you are going to choose checking right there. So you are going to confirm your bank account number here, and you are going to add your routine number here, and you are ready to go. Everything is on your Payoneer account. It's on your Payoneer bank account details. So when you finish, you hit save. Okay, and your bank details has been added. So now Amazon will send you your money straight directly to your Payoneer account, and when that happens, Payoneer will send you a message that Payoneer is going to inform you that Amazon has paid directly to your bank account. So all you have to do is you are going to go to your Payoneer account and withdraw your money. If you want to withdraw your money, you can go here. So if you go to the home site, here is where you can see the details payment from Amazon, as you can see right there. So that's how you can withdraw your money from Amazon if you have a commission on Amazon, or you want to withdraw your money, have money there. So if you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please leave them in the comment section area down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.